what we got, Menina, today?
We have an electric wine opener.
So what we got? We got the instructions. It requires 3 AA battery. 3? No, sorry, 4 battery. All right. So what we got?
You have the vacuum stoppers, 2 of them.
These are pretty cool. After you open the wine, and if anything left, you just put it in and take that out. Yes.
You
next.
have the foil cutter.
Get out of there. Yes, we got it right over here. We're gonna use it.
You also have the decanter.
Yeah, the decanter to serve the wine. Put air for the wine.
And the air pump.
Yes, and the air pump. This is for all wines. The way it works, you put it in, insert the needle, and then you start pumping air, and the pressure, it will make the cork out. And you're gonna use this for all wines. And we're gonna use the electrical one now. Let's see, real nice. With this one, we take we pull the cork out. We can take it out, and this one we can pull the cork out of the bottle of wine. So let's use the first this. So we're gonna go like this around, and we're gonna move this a few times, and nice. So look real cool. Oop. So perfect. And now we're gonna use this, and you're gonna see a blue LED light. Let's go this way. Put the cork out. It's a heavy cork. That's it. Now we press this again, and what we're doing now, we're taking out. That's it. Nice and easy.